Hi everyone.
Hi.
I'm Margaret Wanjiru and this is why I'm here. So I'll start with probably a poll, yeah? How many of us know about TidyTuesday? Hashtag TidyTuesday. So just 2 people. So I'm here to talk about TidyTuesday and why it's important. So data visualization is increasingly being seen as a necessary and important step of any successful data-driven analytics strategy. So I'll start with a quote here. In school, we learn a lot about language and math. On the language side, we learn how to put words together into sentences and stories. With math, we learn to make sense of numbers. But it's rare that these 2 sides are paired. No one tells us how to tell stories with numbers. This leaves us poorly prepared for an important task that is increasingly in demand, and that's why I'm here to talk about the importance of data visualization. So TidyTuesday is, so I'll start with this graphic here. So this is a line plot, yeah? It's just a basic plot, but I chose this plot to show you because it shows the creativity that comes with data. When we are working with data, we are like conditioned to just think of a result, yeah? But we are not taught how to be creative with data. So this is an image embedded on a scatter plot. Again, this is a simple bar plot that shows how you can embed images on the plot, yeah? So what is TidyTuesday? TidyTuesday is a project born out of the R for Data Science online community. Every week, a raw data set is posted by the co-founder, Thomas Mock, and an original chart associated with that data set, and our users are asked to apply their take on the chart. So this is their logo, yeah? April 2nd, 2018, this is when the first data set was posted, and so far they've posted their 33 TidyTuesday projects. They've been over 60 data sets, 2,187 TidyTuesday tweets, and 524 users. So what is the goal of the TidyTuesday project is it was founded to focus on using Tidyverse packages to clean, wrangle, tidy, and plot a new data set every Tuesday. Why is such an emphasis on the project? One is able to apply their basic R skills, get feedback, explore others' work, and gain new ideas, and connect with the great R stats community, as well as portfolio content. So I think I'll first talk a little bit about this slide. When we are introduced to R, we are introduced to code, yeah? Such as what Frida Wanjala is teaching us. But then there comes, when you go to an employer, they'll ask you, so you've done a certificate in an R course, yeah? But they'll ask you, what is it that you can do using data? And then you probably don't know how to go about it. So TidyTuesday is something you can use to even increase content on your CV. I think it's something you can even write. And by portfolio content, I mean, and as someone who's experienced it, when you're coding in R, there's a need to publish what you've been doing. Because nowadays people are asking you, so show us what you've done, yeah? And when you're there, you're not going to an interview with a laptop. You're going there to you probably sent a link to something you've done. So TidyTuesday is something that helped me realize how much potential one has with data and using R skills. So the bigger picture and why I'm here, yeah? So this is the bigger picture. With TidyTuesday, when they post a data set on Twitter every week, you're supposed to import the data set from GitHub. You're supposed to tidy the data, transform, visualize, model, and also program. So the essence of TidyTuesday is to follow this process and post your data viz on Twitter using the hashtag TidyTuesday. So how do you start? So using the lessons you're being taught, using the meetups, and also probably the online courses you're doing, you should make sure to follow Thomas Mock and the R for Data Science online community for weekly post updates. You should work on the data, learn as much as you can, visualize, and post your results using hashtag TidyTuesday. So this is the co-founder of TidyTuesday. He's called Thomas Mock. So if you want to be in update with what TidyTuesday is all about, you should make sure to follow him, because every Monday evening he posts the data set to be wrangled and visualized. So my takeaway is everyone of all skills is encouraged to participate. So the resources and online communities to check out, these are them: R-Stats, TidyTuesday, R-Ladies, Database, and the R for Data Science community. You can find them online. And also, this is something else I wanted to show you about the power of data visualization. Mostly people want to see something unique. So this is a GIF created completely using R. So what this is, it's just a basic line plot, but the GIF was made using GG Animate package. So you just transition the movements per month, because you see it's moving per month. So I think this is amazing. Again, this is also a scatter plot, a basic scatter plot. But what this is showing, how many remember when there was a politics about Nairobi contributing 60% of GDP? It was a lie, because the data says different. As much as Nairobi is the greatest in terms of contribution to GDP, we can see that counties like Mombasa, Kiambu, Nakuru are catching on. So I think this visualization helps one make insights on what counties are doing. Completely done using R as well. So I'm here again, I am here to show you and tell you the importance of TidyTuesday. TidyTuesday is an amazing platform to work on your R skills. Yes, thank you. This was my first presentation. Probably I've hesitated a little bit. Probably I was serious a little bit, because I normally have a sense of humor sometimes. But anyway, this is the Nairobi R logo. It's a new logo, so you can go check them out at #NairobiR. Yes, and thank you.